In this video, we're going to use the properties of logarithms to simplify a few different types of logarithms. Let's refresh our memories with what the properties of logarithms are. So here we have our 4 properties of logarithms. And let's go ahead and let's get started. So for example A, we have the log with the base of the square root of 7 of 1. And here we're going to use property 1, where we see that the log of any base of 1 is going to equal 0 because a to the 0 power is 1. So here we're able just to say that this is going to be a 0, again because the square root of 7 to what power equals 1, and the only thing that can go right here in this space is the 0. So we might even, instead of using a question mark, have used like an x, like what would go there. And in this case, the x would have to equal 0 that we're getting right there. So that's property 1 being used. Letter B says 5 raised to the log base 5 of c squared plus 4. Here, we're going to be using property 3, where we have something being raised to a log with the base of the same thing. So again, we have our 5 here as a base, is our exponent, but the base of the log that we're raising it to is also a 5. And so what we're able to do there is we're able to cross off the 5 and the log base 5, and that's just going to drop down the c squared plus 4. That's c squared plus 4. Letter C says 10 raised to the log base 10 of a squared plus b squared. We know it's a log base 10 because there's no number right here, so that means it's a common log, which means its base is a 10. If you need to write the number 10 in there to help you, go ahead and do that. But this works just like letter B does, because our bases are the same. It just drops down our a squared plus the b squared. And that's our final answer.